Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna use a breadboard. Let me take the big one. This one is pretty small. Breadboard. Yeah, this one. Oops, sorry. So this exactly looked like the one that I show you. So the only difference is like this is on a computer. And I'm just gonna take my Arduino to explain something, to show something. Let's get it straight up. No, it's straight. Good. Let's use Arduino. Even this one, it doesn't really matter. Yes, there it is. So, if you guys take a look closer, you'll see here there is a plus sign and minus sign. Here too, plus and minus. So the breadboard is divided in, I can say, two parts. So from here to here is the same thing as from here to here. Let's just explain this first part. Okay, as you guys can see, this is plus and minus. This will be for your DC power. Your DC power. Let's say you have the ground. You will just take the ground and then bring it over here. Minus. And plus 5 we will bring over here. Okay, let's go back. So as you guys can see, like you see that green line, it means that this breadboard, it connected like from the top till the bottom. All of this line is connected. That means if I put something here, it's the same thing as putting here, because all of this is connected just like that. The same thing from this one. All of these are connected together. Not like that, no. Only like that, straight. Those two lines, this is how they're working. If we go here, we have J, I, H, G, F. Those ones work differently. They're connected like that. You will see it like that. Not like that, no. There are only five of them are connected like that. That's it. It's the same thing here. Like that, and like that. Plus sign, all of the line. Minus sign, the entire line. So this from plus to F is the same thing as from E to minus. Let me explain something to you pretty quick. We're gonna take our plus sign. I'm gonna put that on this line. Everything is connected. Okay, let's go. Let's change this one to black. Let's take our ground. We're gonna put that here. Let's now go and take one LED. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna put that here. So this will be our plus sign and minus sign. So we're gonna have to switch it over so it can work. Normally you're supposed to put a resistor so it can protect the LED, but in this case I won't gonna be doing that. So let's start this one. You see that it's burning because I cannot put any LED. But the minus sign gets here to the cathode and the plus sign went to the right connection. Let me move this one again. Let's take one black cable. I can put that here. I will take the red one. So I can, as I said, like this entire line is connected. I can put that here. It will still be working. You see? I can delete this one. Let me delete the yes. And then take this one, put that on the bottom here on the plus sign. and then start simulation. Still working, the same thing. This is how it's working. But because these two lines are connected, it doesn't mean that those two are working now, because I put the power here only on those two lines, not on those two other ones. Otherwise, I would have taken those two and put them here, which is something that I did not do. Let me delete those ones. So now I put it like that. I told you guys this one is connected like that. We're gonna see that if we start the simulation, it's working. It's burning but working. If I take those two, I put that here, it will not be working. Why? Because line are just connected like that from J to F. Only that. If, by the way, let me put it back where it was. Like that, and I put it here. It will not be working because the current is not going through that line. No, only here, as I explained to you guys. Let's put it back to its place. Now it's working. This is how it's working perfectly.